Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repost on WhatsApp status. So let's get started. So first of all, what you got to do is head over to that specific status who have mentioned you. For example, I have this status over here. So I'm going to click on the status. And when you click on that status, it would say mentioned privately. So that means that the person has mentioned you, and you'll be able to see add to status option over here. That is basically the repost option. So what you got to do is simply click on add to status, and the same status that that person has added would be added on your status as well. You can simply click on the green arrow over here, or you can add a caption you want. You can also customize the status further and simply send it to your contacts. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.